Hi, I'm here to share with you the all-new starter theme on HubSpot. Now, this is a theme that has been designed specifically for people who are using a HubSpot theme for the very first time. The theme gives you enough features and flexibility to build a really impactful website experience. And I would like to start off with the global settings on this theme. So the global settings is something that allows you to bring your brand guidelines into the entire website. So you get to set your website colors, fonts, typography, buttons, forms, spacing, and a lot of these other options. Just to take a look at the typography, you get to set what your body text would look like and what your headings would look like in terms of the fonts that they're using, the font size, the colors, the font weight, and all of those things. You also get to choose what your links would look like within the body text. Similarly, if you take a look at the buttons, you get to choose what the button color would be, what the button text colors would be like, and you also have a range of other settings that you can use to set what the CTAs would look like across your website. And similarly, you can work your way through all the other options in the global settings to set the look and feel and tone of your entire website. Now let's take a look at what is available at the page level. So here I have the home page, and you can see a list of all the modules that have been used on the home page. Let's talk about the hero slider for a minute. So this is like a slider section for a bunch of different banners that you can use on your home page. For each, and you can increase the number of banners here as per your requirement or decrease them. And for each banner, you have the ability to set the image that will go on the banner, and you have the ability to set the heading, subheading, description, and you can use any combination of those as you require. You can add a CTA to your banner and the link to wherever the CTA will lead. And interestingly, you also have an option of adding an overlay. So depending upon the kind of image that you are choosing for the background, as well as the colors on your headings, you can choose to add a white or black overlay over the background image just to help with the readability part of it. And that's something that has that's something that sort of comes up very often when you are building a banner and putting some images or stock images on the back of it or on the background. Next up, let's take a look at the services section, so which is this section where you get to put together all your features. And here the most interesting flexibility that you have is the ability to sort of set how many columns the features appear in. So given the number of items that you add in this section, you can sort of set whether you want it to be a 2-column, 3-column, or a 4-column thingy, and just change it right here without having to depend on a developer or go into the code. And as always, you can increase or decrease the number of features that you are adding, and within each feature you get to add the icon, the feature text, the feature headline, and all of those things. So the entire theme is filled with different kinds of modules like this that give you the flexibility to do different kinds of things and sort of change things and change how they look and feel and operate without you having to go into the code. And that is the beauty of the starter theme. So download the theme and hope you have a ton of fun using it and you build something great with it. Thank you.